Here's a little dam I've been working on the last few years, and it's finally filled, and it's actually too full. I have a culvert down there, but it was blocked off, and now it's really close to overflowing. So here it is going into the old pond. But what a great noise, what a great sound having that water run. So we'll drop this level just a little bit. The island out there isn't quite exposed. There's some weeds that are exposed, but anyways, we'll get this. Hopefully this lower pond will fill up as well. It's been very, very low for the last 4 years of drought. Geese will be happy if we can get that little bit of island poking up. It's looking great though.